What's going on, beautiful people of YouTube? Today, I will be giving you my three-week review. I don't know how long the video has been posted, but my 3-week review of the gas pedal spacer. Let's get it. So real simple, real easy, put your bolt extenders in, sit your spacer up on the extender brackets, line your pedal up, put it back on. Now, I'm not a Ford engineer or anything, but the one thing that I'm wondering is if there is an angle sensor based on the positioning of the assembly itself, because I've gotten a much better gas pedal response from this thing. Not just because my leg is closer and I can switch from the brake to the gas much easier, and with everything being in line, it's a much more natural feel of gas and clutch. But literally, when I'm driving it now, I feel like I'm in sport mode more often than eco mode, if you guys know what I mean. So normally the ST, the RS, when you're driving it, when you're either caught hitting the middle of the pedal or the top of the pedal, and it kind of feels like the car is struggling to take off at first. So you got to kind of back your foot off and hit like the very tip of the pedal, which kind of feels like it either an angle sensor kind of reacts faster, or it just could be the voltage that's being read from the fly-by-wire system that's seeing that it's pulling away from the base faster. But whatever it is, I love this thing. Like I said, it makes it feel like I am in sport mode all the time without having to switch the modes. But then when you go into sport mode, it feels like the car wants to go like that much more. It feels like the RPMs are like 500 higher, if that makes any sense. I can't really explain it. But there is a downside to it. And that downside is, if you've got like a wide foot, this is fine for you, especially if you already have problems with other vehicles that have small pedals that are too close to each other. If you've got a big wide foot, this is okay. I have a long slender foot, so I still can't roll my foot over as easy as I thought. So I still got to kind of use like the middle of my foot to my heel to, heel toe. But I have a hard time finessing that aspect. But then also, like I mentioned before, unless you're tracking it, you're not applying the kind of pressure to the brake system where you have to blip the gas like that. It's a little bit more of a convenience. But overall, is this mod worth it? For $90? I say yeah. Yeah. Especially if you enjoy having like a quick foot to brake, quick foot to clutch, and that recessed gas pedal kind of throws off your timing. I would say yeah, because I found myself adjusting my seat a lot based on where my foot was. Now I can literally have the heel of my foot rest on the floor and just roll back and forth between gas and brake, which for me is much easier instead of constantly moving my leg down and back, down and back. And then alongside with the clutch pedal being at the same height, the timing has gotten that much better between when I want to do like a quick takeoff or I'm shifting through the gears at a higher speed, or even like downshifting. Like the timing has just gotten much, much better. So if you're a driver, you like the feel of aggressive, fun driving, like carving back roads into canyons and stuff, this is a really good mod for you guys to do. So $90 goes a long way. And like I said, there are other ones, cheaper ones that give you a little bit more space. There's the Steeda, and it looks like they changed their name, the Armorex or whatever it is. I'll put it down in the description. Again, like I do on all the videos, I'll put the links down to show you who still makes what. And then you guys can pick from there. So I'm going to leave that one off here. Comment, like, subscribe. Okay. And as always, Wrench Daily.